Hey guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Lizelle of LizTech. Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna share to you this new release of Samsung entry-level smartphone, J4 Plus series. Okay, so come with me and let's unbox this J4 Plus. Let's watch this. Okay, so let's unbox this and see what's inside of this. But by the way, let's check first this box. And as you can see, this box is a little bit similar to J2 Pro. And yes, there's nothing changed. And let's check for its details here. See that it's already 4G LTE, 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, and you'll see here that it's 152.6mm with 6-inch HD+. Wow! And then here it has a 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera and 16 GB memory, 2 GB RAM. So it has light flash as well. So let's try to see what's inside of this box. And okay, so here you'll see the unit itself. Okay, let's look at this later. So first, what are the other accessories here? Okay, so we have quick guide and warranty. Okay, next is the so very cute pin ejector. You see it here. Okay, I like the design, it's cute. And you'll see the earphones right there and USB connector and the wall adapter. Okay, but as you can see, it doesn't support fast charging, so it's not type C. So here, let's check for the unit itself. Okay, so here you see the design at the back. Wow! This looks premium. Can you imagine that it's just 6,990 pesos, but then look at the design. Wow! I think it's a superior quality plastic. Not so sure about it, so I will search this soon for my full review, of course. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay, so you see here the screen display and resolution. This is so good. Look at that. Okay, so here you'll see the camera, the LED flash, and then here, okay, there's nothing here. And then here is the power button. See it there. And here is the speaker. You see the speaker is placed here. I don't know if you can see it there. And then here is the volume. Plus minus volume. And here you'll see the earphone jack and micro USB port. And then the microphone. It's match magnet. You'll see it there. So I think this is one of the downside of this phone because it's match magnet and it looks dirty. So we need to clean it every time. You see smudges. And then let's try to check if how much will be the available storage. So let's check it here. Hold on. So the available space, you'll see it there, is 9.4. Do not expect to have 16 GB fully because of the pre-installed apps. Okay, so now let's check for its camera. So there, let's do this. Oh, it's not that fast. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you guys will watch my full review of this J4 Plus. By the way, before we end this video, I would like to shout out Glenard Refamonte, Kyle Raniel, Carl Belches, Adrian Salvador, Akile, and Marine Cute Cute. Thank you so much guys, and thank you so much all for watching this unboxing with J4 Plus. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again till my next review.